Autodesk Revit 2023.1 adds powerful capabilities for architectural design visualization, MEP fabrication detailing, and structural analysis to help you drive business growth through improved design quality. This release also includes features and enhancements for data management and documentation, helping all Revit users improve efficiency and reduce rework. Let's take a look. Revit subscribers can now create immersive visualizations through Twinmotion for Revit. Open and update models in Twinmotion directly from Revit. Explore your projects in VR to improve design quality and produce rich visual assets to win more work. When using shape editing tools, you can now add points along surfaces, offset from surfaces, or at absolute values from the elevation base of your choice, improving design efficiency for floors and roofs. User experience enhancements to Generative Design and Dynamo Player will help you more efficiently meet your computational design goals. Dynamo 2.16 offers new geometry and material texture nodes. This release improves efficiency for both the design and fabrication detailing of MEP elements. All users will appreciate enhancements to the Split with Gap command, which can now be applied to many MEP categories, including both design and fabrication ducts, pipes, and more. Fabrication fittings now detect matching connectors and orient themselves automatically. Fittings also follow the cursor during placement, reducing repetitive keystrokes. Piping designers will experience fewer errors and improved accuracy when laying out and editing sloped piping systems. Structural designers can now model curved analytical panels to represent physical elements. Curved analytical members can also be easily edited, improving analytical modeling flexibility. When authoring analytical models in a physical context, you can now automatically associate elements between them. And if you start with analytical modeling, you can now generate and update physical elements automatically. Concrete detailers will experience improved productivity with the new Flip Rebar Set option, which makes it easy to choose the direction in which rebar sets expand. This release of Revit improves data exchange and documentation efficiency for all users. The Parameters service enables you to manage and share parameters across your firm via the cloud. The Open and Open Sheet commands now allow you to open multiple views and sheets in one click. You can easily remove multiple views from sheets at once, and you can move multiple views between sheets while keeping their original positions. Revisions can also be added to multiple sheets at once, greatly reducing the number of clicks and potential for error. This release of Revit adds new and enhanced capabilities to help all Revit users design, detail, and document their projects with better quality and improved efficiency. Upgrade to Revit 2023.1 and drive new business growth in your AEC projects.